Hi, I'm Shades, and just like this title sequence that you're watching over here, nothing has order because it's random. Hey guys, welcome. I know you've probably seen me like looking like this already. I'm sorry. So, I am currently making another garment for another video, and this garment is really stressing me out. Like, I am so stressed, guys. I'm so stressed. So I'm deciding at this point, because I'm not going to finish now, what I'm going to do is make the next garment, because I know that one is a lot more doable than this one, because this one is actually upsetting the machine, and if it upsets the machine, you know, it's a problem. So yeah, so we're going to do a pleated skirt. We are still going back to this picture right here, so I want to complete the whole look. So I decided to make a pleated skirt, and that's gonna make it look similar, right, and match it up with the corset that I already made. So yeah guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm done, sewing the pleats flat, which I didn't mention I was gonna do, but I did it, and this is gonna come like this. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, and then this is the other part that I'm just gonna iron quickly, and then I will join them together. So I realized that I made a mistake over here when I was putting in the pleats. That my measurements were according to my pattern without seam allowance. Oh, my skin so shiny. Okay, yeah, the measurements were according to the pattern without seam allowance, and so now I have this extra 2 centimeters over here on one side, and the same thing on this side. And guys, I'm lazy to undo it and whatever, so what I'm going to do is attach that side together, these two sides together like this, and I want to see, if I can fold it in such a way that it doesn't it's not too visible. I want to fold it in such a way that like you'll still see, you'll think it's a pleat. I want to create an illusion, because after all, I am a magician. So now that I am done, I've sewn it together just like that. Did I attach it right? Whew. I thought I didn't attach it right. So this side is either gonna go this side or that side. And look how plain it is. It's really like worrying me. Hey guys, oopsie. So I took off my pants and it looks so short. Oh my god, it looks so short. It is way too short for my liking. And this is what I was talking about. This part is too widely open like that. So the reason why it's so short is because I sewed the pleats flat way too long. So I'm gonna come up here maybe by 4 centimeters so that I can open up, and then we can take it down. Because look at the back. My bum is literally here. That is way too short. So guys, this is how it's looking so far, and I think it's looking cute. I'm trying to cover here because I haven't inserted a zip, and it's longer now. That's a good length. See that? That is a way bit. I don't know, it doesn't look cute at this top with my hair. So I think I'm gonna call it a night. It is currently, I think, 3 o'clock or something, and I'm very hungry. Anyway, so I'm gonna go straight to bed. Hello. Okay, so I'm back, and what did I say I was supposed to do? Okay, anyway, so I'm going to fold this by I think 3 centimeters. Yeah, just in like that. And then I'm going to attach the zip over here, and then we're going to end off with the hem, and then I am done, completely done. So let's get into the video. Actually, you know what, the next clip is of me done with this. I used a brown zip instead of a white one because I don't have white, but I tried to cover it, so it's not too bad, right?